Hey there, fellow deers and lawn enthusiasts. Today I'm super excited to introduce you to the Easy Pull Recoil Starter Kit Aluminum Claw Starter Dial for 405 cg 430/44 F5 Lawn Mower Engine Repair Part Brush Cutter. This little beauty is a game-changer when it comes to starting up your lawn trimmer or brush cutter. Crafted from durable PA6 nylon and aluminum alloy, this starter kit is built to last and withstand the wear and tear of regular use. The sleek black color gives it a modern professional look that will complement any toolshed or workshop. With a width of 80mm and a depth of 35mm, this starter kit is compact and won't take up much space in your tool bag or storage area. The fixing holes are 6mm in diameter, and the distance between them is 66.5mm, ensuring a secure and stable installation. This kit is suitable for lawn trimmers 40544 F5 BG 430 CG 430 TU 431 E40 F540 F5, making it a versatile and essential addition to your toolkit. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to struggling with your old starter and upgrade to the Easy Pull Recoil Starter Kit Aluminum Claw Starter Dial. It's the reliable, efficient and easy-to-use solution you've been looking for. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your lawn maintenance game to the next level. Click the link in the description to purchase the Easy Pull Recoil Starter Kit Aluminum Claw Starter Dial now and make your lawn equipment maintenance a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome product reviews and tips. Happy gardening!